Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a game pass on Roblox mobile. So what you need to do, you just need to open a browser, any browser, and search for roblox.com. Once you are on the home page of Roblox and now you just need to tap on this three dot and click on this desktop side mode. Click on this desktop side to enable desktop mode on mobile. Now just tap on this create option. Here in the creator tab, what you need to do, you just need to tap on this menu button and just click on this creation. Now guys, in the experience you just need to click on your default experience, which will be by your username or your username on your account. And now you just need to tap on your menu button here, tap on it, and now you have to scroll down to the bottom, and here in my monetization product you will see the passes option. Click on it. In passes guys, you will see here option called create pass. Now just need to click on create pass button, and here you just need to enter your name of the game pass like T1, and now you have to enter the description here, like I'm gonna enter as demo. Now you just need to click on this create pass button, tap on it, and a pass will be created here. Fine, you just need to tap on it to configure, and now you just need to tap on this menu button to set the price if you want. And now just tap on this sales option. Here you just need to tap on this toggle button before the next to item for sale and enter the price here you want. And now just click on the save changes. After this, once you set the price guys, now you just need to open Roblox. Please donate game and claim your stand, and your game pass will be listed there. So if someone purchase your game pass from there, then you will reward 70% out of the price of the pass. Fine, so hope you like it. That's how you can create your own game pass. In the next video, till then, bye bye.